Sitting down and writing a script for a video is hard. Staring at that blank page, that blinking cursor, wondering what the hell you should write about. I'm going to show you a hack which allows me to create massive amounts of videos using stuff that I've already written. Let's start simple. What is your primary source of video content? Hint, it's going to be from your archives. I'm talking newsletters, I'm talking blog articles, LinkedIn articles, long form threads from X, and even podcast transcripts. Basically, any in-depth content where you have shown expertise and your authority in a particular subject area. For me personally, my secret weapon is my newsletter. I release a daily newsletter of between 1,500 and 2,000 words that people read every single day. Now, for some people, they prefer to absorb content through video. So I take my newsletter and I condense it into video scripts that I record, again, every single day and release onto various different platforms. It allows for the same information to be consumed in multiple different formats depending on how somebody prefers to learn. Your first task is to think about what existing long-form content you've already created. What platforms is it on and how can you get it all together so you can begin to repurpose it? Then we're going to be using a ChatGPT prompt, which I'm going to be showing here. Let's go ahead and walk through this prompt so you understand the components of it and what it's going to be doing for you in your business. So this is a nice simple prompt starting with a role declaration saying act as an expert content marketer scriptwriter. That is giving a specification to ChatGPT telling it what to focus on. The instructions come next, which are convert this written long form piece into a video outline. Outline is an important word here and I'll be talking about why shortly. Do not include inserts, only text script. This is to stop ChatGPT from creating a whole script full of stage directions, full of suggestions for images and b-roll, etc, etc. We do not need any of that. And then copy and paste long form content. We're going to simply copy from wherever our source is. It might be a LinkedIn article, it might be a Twitter long form post, straight in below this ChatGPT prompt in order to create our output. And here is an example output. You can see what's being created here is an outline. This allows us to focus on the main points without giving us the exact words that we need to be saying. Therefore, we do not need to memorize the script and we do not need a teleprompter. Instead, we're able to look at the notes, look at camera, and then deliver the basic idea. This leads to a much more natural video than if we were just reading off a script, which is, to be honest, quite boring. As with any ChatGPT output, make sure that you go through the script, you make any manual edits that you need to until you're happy with the quality. This is going to be particularly important here because you're going to be creating a video from it and you don't want to be reading through the script and halfway through the video creation process to realize, oh, this is a bit naff, this needs to be rewritten. So instead, do all the rewriting first before you begin the video production process. I'm going to be talking about the actual delivery mechanism and how we use the script in a later video, but the basic idea is that we have both the recording interface on our computer and the script, and we look at the script, we take as long as we need to work out what it is we need to say. Then we look to the camera, we deliver the information we need to, then we stop, return to the script. We do this all in one long recording. It might be 15, it might be 20 minutes, and it's going to be full of lots of weird places where you're looking off camera like this, you're reading your script, you're not paying attention to the actual camera, but that's fine because of the new AI editing tools that are available on the market. These editing tools allow us to automatically cut out all the silences, automatically cut out all the ums and ers, automatically cut out all of the false starts and errors from our video recording. Therefore, this method makes it a lot easier to deliver a whole script without having to do any memorization and without having to rely on a teleprompter.